Back. So today I'm gonna be removing my exhaust on my mk2 vr6, and I'm gonna be trying to install my new exhaust, my magnaflow, which you see over here. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, as I'll be doing more videos on this car. My next video is gonna be installing my slim fan. Alright guys, so I got the exhaust on. Sorry if I couldn't videotape the whole process. I had to cut off my old exhaust because it was tack welded the whole way, and I don't have a cutter with me, so I had to cut it with a saw. So I installed the magnaflow exhaust, so I'm just gonna start it. I'm gonna see how it sounds. I still have a minor exhaust leak, but I'm gonna get that fixed when I bring it to work so I can put it on the lift. But she sounds way better than she did before. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you guys have any other questions, or if you want me to make any other videos, please let me know. Have a nice night, guys.